Black money and corruption. Black money is simply income on which tax have not been paid. Every time you buy something without a bill, you may be facilitating black money generation. While all black money generation is not due to corruption, all corruption results in black money. When a government servant gets a bribe from a favor done, then he generates black money since that amount will not be shown for tax. This is a clear case of corruption generating black money. As stated in the introduction, when you go to a doctor and pay him rupees 500 in cash without receipt or buy petrol without a bill, then you are generating black money since the doctor or the petrol stations may not show your amount as received and that amount is therefore not counted for tax purposes. But this act of buying without the receipt or bill does not involve corruption. Generally, the money which is earned by means of illegal methods is considered as black money. And the money earned by illegal methods but hidden for paying income tax, also called tax evasion, is also called black money. Both these instances have been discussed in the situations above. We cannot deny the fact that the black money or corruption feed into each other, spread across the nation and penetrate deeply into the economic system. It is very difficult to eliminate corruption, not only in India but also in most of the countries across the world. In fact, corruption has existed from ancient times. Definition of black money. Black money is earned through illegal activity and as such is not taxed. Recipients of black monies must hide it, spend it only in the underground economy, or attempt to give it appearance for the legitimacy through illegal money laundering. This definition of black money is in consonance with the definition used by National Institute of Public Finance and Policy. In its 1986 report entitled Aspects of Black Economy, the NIPFP defined black income as the aggregates of income which are taxable but not reported to the tax authorities. Further, black incomes or unaccounted incomes are the extent to which estimates of national income and output are biased downwards because of deliberate false reporting of the incomes, output and transaction for reasons for tax evasion, flouting of other economic controls and relative motives. There is no uniform definition of black money in academic literature or economic theory. In fact, several terms with similar connotations have been in vogue. They include unaccounted income, black income, dirty money, black wealth, underground wealth, black economy, parallel economy, shadow economy, and underground or unofficial economy. All these terms usually refer to an income, any income on which the taxes imposed by government or public authorities have not been paid. Such wealth may consist of income generated from legitimate activities or activities which are illegitimate. Smuggling, illicit trade in banned substances, counterfeit currency, arms trafficking, terrorism, and corruptions are example. The broader meaning would necessarily encompass and include money derived from corruption and other illegal ways, including drug trafficking, counterfeiting currency, smuggling arms, trafficking, etc. It would also include all market-based legal productions of goods and services that are concealed from public authorities for the following reasons. 1. To evade payment of taxes. 2. To evade payment of other statutory contributions. 3. To evade minimum wages, working hours and safety standards, etc. 4. To evade complying with laws and administrative procedures. For the purpose of discussion, black money can be defined as assets or resources that have neither been reported to the public authorities at the time of their generation nor disclosed at any point of time during their possessions. Sometimes it is argued that black economy is a result of lack of free markets or economic freedom or due to high taxes. But as pointed out by Professor Arun, there is an instance of highly taxed economy like Sweden, which has historically had a tiny black economy. Causes for black money generation, high rate of tax. When a country levies a high rate of tax, corporates and individuals start looking for options for tax evasion. Thus, black money is generated and invested in tax havens. The increasing burden of compliance also gives a strong reason to generate black money. Studies indicate that the countries with proper regulations have smaller rate of black money being generated. Also, developing countries have relatively high level of tax compared to developed countries also leads to greater tax evasion in such countries.